Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a training tracker, something that will change the color code based on a due date. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and so I'm just going to make up a quick table here of some training items, and we'll put in some random due dates. I'm just putting in some random different training items that we might track, and we'll go ahead and put in some placeholder due dates. Now these due dates, we're going to move these around later to see what effect different dates has on the formatting that we're going to put here. The big thing is to format this into a table so that the conditional formatting will apply to all the cells. So we're going to say format as a table. We're going to leave that header box checked. That made sure that training and due date remain headers of our table. Select our area of interest, and we're going to go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and we're going to format based on the cell's value. Now for this example, I'm going to use icon sets. I like that one a lot. This can be used for a lot of different things, but today we're going to be putting a formula in there that chooses which color to format our icons. We want to put in our formula. Our formula is just going to say equals today plus 30, and the way that reads is the value or the color of the icon will be green when the cell value is greater than or equal to today, open close parentheses, don't put anything inside those parentheses, plus 30, meaning we're going to give it a 30 days out for it to remain yellow. You'll also notice I put as the bottom threshold there equals today, open close parentheses. So now if I put in today's date, for instance, into one of these cells, you'll see that it turns yellow because it's not overdue yet. But if I put in a day that occurred in the past, it's going to turn red. And if I put a day that occurs within the next 30 days, that is also going to turn yellow. But if I put in a date that is outside of the 30-day mark, it will turn green. And this will work every day. It will update based on that formula that says today in there. It'll pull today's date off of the computer. It will automatically update these color codes for you as the dates approach.